Today we're going to work with compound movements, putting together combinations of movements, carrying a load or a movement from one part of your body all the way to the other. And imagine people tossing a package from hand to hand all the way down a chain of people. That's the idea of moving our body, moving the motion, moving the load, moving the stretch, the exercise, the weight in a smooth, continuous path without getting stuck anywhere along the way. So I hope you enjoy and feel better after the class. All right, if you're ready, we're gonna do 15 minutes. Whoops, let's try that again. And starting in 10 seconds with the hammer curl march. All right, so begin hammer curl with the opposite knee lifting up, just like you're holding a hammer in each hand. And you can do it walking forward, walking backward, or just simply staying in one place. Now, it doesn't have to be too fast. In fact, doing it half speed, doing it slower, is more challenging for your balance. So you might do it slower for an extra challenge. Getting just about everything involved here. Upper body, lower body, center, each side, and let's rest. We'll move now to leg swings. 20 seconds on each side. You can use a balance support if you like. Take one leg back, same side hand forward, and here we go, swing. You're kind of having to hike the hip a little bit up to pass by the ground. Nice and smooth. Okay, switch. Oh, I went way past. Usually I just wait for the timer to tell me, but let's do the other side. We'll use our rest period for this other half. Okay, and there. Next, sit to stands with an overhead press, tricep crunch, and curl. Have a seat. And here we go. Sit to stand, overhead press, tricep crunch. And when you sit down, keep the weight close to your body and then do a curl at the bottom. Up, up, back, forward, down, 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 up, up. So whenever you're standing up or sitting down, the weight is very close to you. So you're not straining your back. All right, rest. And now bicycle crunches will be next. You can use the weight if you want. If it's hard enough without anything, then just skip the weight. That's okay too. Your rest period can be used for stretching as well. Here we go. Begin. Toe touches are kind of your on-ramp to the bicycle crunch, and then you bring your elbow to the opposite knee, and you can kind of pedal. So either just straight up and down with your toe touches, or circle with your hips. Either way, a little smile, it doesn't hurt. You can mix it up by going backwards. This one takes longer than the others, doesn't it? Okay, and rest. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Since that sit to stand, you don't get as many in since we're doing all the arm work, so let's do another round. You're gonna keep that weight to the collarbone, plant the feet, engage the core. And off we go. Ready? Stand up, overhead press, tricep crunch. Collarbone, sit, curl. adding those extra movements at each end. There you go. All right, we made it. Round one done. We got 2 more rounds. So let's move to our marching curls. The first round we did hammer curls. You could do that again. Or if you want to switch it to just a external rotation curl, you can. So you could do a forearm curl if you want to mix it up. And remember, if you want to challenge your balance, just slow it down, half speed. You'll actually generate more time under tension for your arms too, so you could get even more strength there if you go a little slower. There you go, and rest. Got our leg swings. Keep an eye on the clock this time so I don't leave you hanging. 20 seconds on each leg, so pick a side either side. And when you're ready, begin. Swing. Your knee stays pretty neutral. The hip is swinging here. And the shoulders and upper body nice and relaxed. All right, switch sides. Other leg. All right, rest. Grab your weight for our sit to stands. If the first round the weight was too light, too heavy, make an adjustment. And let's do sit to stands, overhead press, tricep crunch, and curl, all packed into one movement. It's like a multivitamin exercise. You get a little bit of everything here. All you can eat buffet. Now remember, the most important part of this, I'd say, is the sitting part. It's controlling your descent from standing to sitting. I'd really give your full attention to that and make it as soft and controlled as you can. All right, and rest. We got bicycle crunches coming up. If those are too tough, switch up the weights or no weights at all. Or you can do seated sit-ups instead of the rotation if your back needs a break. As always, you can modify or adjust anything I suggest. Don't even hesitate. Now, if you're feeling just tired or it's challenging, then go ahead and push it a little. But you don't want to push through pain. Pain will shut your body down. We got our bodies for the rest of our lives, right? We don't want to build that type of relationship in when we're torturing ourselves. It's not going to work long term. We need to build a respectful relationship with our body, listening to it, caring for it. Go ahead and rest. Hopefully your heart rate's getting up a little bit. We aim to get you that moderate intensity, 60 to 70% of your max heart rate. We've got another round of sit to stands. Off we go. Good for grip strength. And You can add these bonuses. Tricep crunch at the top, curl at the bottom. If you'd like just more sit to stands, you want your legs to do a little more, you can skip those and just do more sit to stands. It's okay. Think of this like a restaurant. You can customize your meal. You can say no cheese please, or double the veggies. You can mix it up. There we go, we did it. Round 2, we got one more. Let's do it all over again. Marching curls are next. And if you haven't already, I challenge you to do this slowly. Hammer curl, half speed. Then you have to really bring it all together. Strength, balance, reflexes, coordination, relaxed focus. Patience, persistence. We're not just exercising our muscles, we're exercising these qualities in ourselves for anything else we want to do. Beautiful, and rest there. Leg swings. All right, get that back body warmed up. Off we go, swing. Now by the third round, sometimes you're feeling stronger, more balanced, sometimes you're getting tired. So if you need to touch and just stabilize, that's okay. You're never gonna do the same exercise twice. You're never gonna be the same person twice. So this is a brand new body, it's a brand new exercise. So treat it as such, making a unique choice, what's best for you right now. I forgot to switch again, didn't I? Let's do the other side. You're gonna be walking in circles all day long. You're gonna be all lopsided today. We'll use our rest period here for balancing you out on the other side. Good. All right, and now set it down. Let's grab your weight for our sit to stand. Overhead press, off we go. Even though there's a lot of motions going on, I hope there's a feeling of continuity, a feeling of coordination. It's like when you see a line of people passing an object from one to the next seamlessly. That's the idea here, moving this weight from each body part, each muscle, each joint. And rest. We got last round of bicycle crunches, getting that core fiery hot. Keep the weight close, tuck the chin, engage, lean back a little, off we go. Toe touches to start. Little turn of your waist and hands. And if that's feeling good, you go a little further, making it a circle and hovering. And of course, the most advanced variation is with a smile. Doesn't mean you're enjoying it, just means that your brain thinks you are. You can try it backwards. Now your hips might try to take over here. Keep sending it back to the abdomen. Send it all around the core. All right, rest. Whew. And this is the last one, sit to stand. Optional overhead press and curl at top and bottom. And off we go, plant your feet, engage your core, and begin. No plopping in your chairs here. smooth landing. And we made it. All right, set it down. Feet apart, let's circle your hips. Rotate your waist. Nicely done. And the other way. Your joints, your skeleton, thank you. Taking it easy makes things harder later. Doing the hard things now make it easier later. So that strange paradox. Let's do our cat-cow seated version. So all this hard work you did now will be making everything else you do easier later today. And sit up tall, close the eyes, scan through the body. Follow the breath, feel your center.